Ever wanted to start your own profitable dropshipping business? You might be wondering if dropshipping is oversaturated. While it's not true, even in 2024, I've made this much money in just 10 days. And you can do the same if you follow each step that I'll show you in this video. You'll learn how to do a niche research, product research, find a reliable and trustworthy dropshipping supplier, build a dropshipping store, source the product, and finally run Facebook ads effectively to maintain your profit margin. We'll start with the niche research. To do a proper niche research, we'll use Google Trends. So go to trends.google.com and here go to Explore section and select your country where you would like to do a dropshipping, and rest of the options should be the same as mine. Now type your search term. For example, I'll use car accessories, but feel free to explore any niche that interests you and hit enter. So you can clearly see that the car accessory have steady interest over time in United States. And this indicates that the car accessory could be a profitable niche if you follow all the steps that I'll show you in this video. After a niche research, now we need to find a winning product. For that, I personally use 𝗵𝗶ads.com, which is the best all-in-one ad library, dropshipping product finder, and competitor analytics tool available in the market. To use this tool, there is a link in the video description and a discount code that will give you 20% off on your first purchase. Once you land on this page, using my link, click on the sign up button. In the next page, fill up the sign up form just by typing the required information. Once you sign up, just log in. After login, you will see the dashboard where you can explore TikTok ads, Facebook ads, and ad products, TikTok shop, and advertisers. If you scroll down, you will see the winning products of the day from TikTok and Facebook. And below that, you can see the statistic reports of TikTok and Facebook. Next, you will see top products on TikTok from different region, category, and time. If you keep scrolling down, you will see Keyword Insight on TikTok. On the top menu of the website, if you click on ads, and you will see all the ads from TikTok and Facebook. Here, you can use this filter to sort the ads. You can also use this search box to find the ads quickly. Before I show you how to use this filter to sort the ads, let me introduce you an amazing feature of 𝗵𝗶ads. The magic AI tool. If you came across on product online and want to check if there is any ad running for it, all you have to do just upload your product image over here and this tool will instantly show you whether there are ads for that product. Amazing, right? Let's go back to the ads from the menu section and let me show you how I use this filter to find a winning product to sell. I like to run ads on Facebook, so I'll select Facebook. You can select TikTok or both simultaneously. Below from the basic filter, select your region where you would like to start your dropshipping business. I'll select United States. The call to action will be shop now. Select video from the format/duration. From data, select high likes, comments, and shares. From period, select last 30 days. Now 𝗵𝗶ads will show all the successful products that you can consider to sell. When you find a product, just click on it. In the pop-up, you can check more detail about the product. You can also see the product landing page, or you can check Facebook ad of this product. A product ad with high likes, comments, and share can be considered a winning product. After finding your winning product, now it's time to find a reliable, trustworthy dropshipping supplier. I personally use Fulfillment.com. They provide top-level dropshipping service that cover everything you need to run a profitable dropshipping business. Whether it is about shipping time, product quality, or customer support, they offer more than you can imagine. If you can't find the product in the catalog, just share the product URL or product image to the sourcing expert team of Fulfillment.com and they will source the product for you so that you can sell right away. If you go to Fulfillment, Services, and then Private Line, here you can see Fulfillment.com delivers the product in 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US and Germany, and 3 to 5 days in UK. They also offer easy and convenient return and refund policy. If your customer receive a damaged product, they will refund you. If they get wrong product, Fulfillment.com will resend it for free. This trustworthy return and refund policy isn't available on any other supplier over the internet. Fulfillment.com also provide a product photography service for better conversion and can be integrated with your favorite e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and so on. Plus, once you join fulfillment.com, you can easily communicate with the team and get immediate response via Skype. Another good reason to choose fulfillment.com is product quality. They have their own warehouse in China and keep the product as good as new for customer satisfaction. If you have hot selling product that sell really fast, you can keep your inventory in their warehouse for free. Whenever you receive a new order, they will ship the product with their own private line with custom packaging like your logo on the package, flyers, business cards, and more. To start with the fulfillment.com, just click on a Get a Quote button and run your profitable dropshipping business. Now you need to build a dropshipping store. Nowadays, to build a dropshipping store, you don't actually need to know any kind of coding skills. You can create your dropshipping store with Shopify. There is a link in the video description that allows you to create your Shopify store for $1 a month for 3 months. Building a dropshipping store is a long process that I've already covered in my separate video, which you can find in the video description. So take your time and build your dropshipping store as per your preferences. Once you're done with it, you can connect your Shopify store with fulfillment.com. Once you integrate your Shopify store with fulfillment.com, now import the product from fulfillment.com that you have found using PP ads. After importing the product, now it's time to promote it. You have two options, free or paid. Free option takes time. If you after a quick result, go for paid ads like I do. Just to give you an idea, I've made this much pure profit in just 10 days using Facebook ads. Even though you can run paid ads on platforms like Google Shopping Ad, TikTok, Pinterest, I've tested all those platforms, but Facebook ads have worked best for me. To get started with Facebook ads, you have to create a business Facebook ad account. Then you have to verify your domain name, add pixel to it. Pixel tracks the user behavior on your site. You also need a Facebook page and Instagram account. Finally, create your conversion ad campaign with minimum budget of $5 to $10 each. Each ad set should contain different audience. And I run this campaign for at least 3 days. Now take a look at the following rule for best conversion.
On the first day, if I get at least 1 click, I let it run for the next day, and if I don't get any click on day first, I stop the campaign and change the target audience and interest. On the second day, I must have 1 add to cart. If I get it, I let it run for the next day. If I don't get any add to cart, I stop the campaign and start with the day 1, where I need 1 click on a day first. At this point, if I don't get any click, then I consider it non-profitable product. Now let's say on the second day, you got 1 add to cart and you let it run for third day. Now on third day, you must need 1 purchase. If you get the purchase on day 3rd, then let it run until you don't get any purchase.
In my advanced Facebook course, I'll show you when to scale your campaign and what is the best CPC and so on. Your job is to track your Facebook ad campaign daily. If any case your campaign doesn't follow the rule, stop it and try another product. By following this rule, you won't lose your money. Soon I'll make a full dedicated video on Facebook ads for dropshipper, so make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss it. And that's the end of this video. If you found the video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, that would be appreciated. And that being said, goodbye. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.